The temptation of car mods. Hey buddy, let's be honest. Who doesn't want their car to sound meaner, go faster, or look cooler? The world of car mods is addictive. But here's the problem. Not all mods are safe. Studies show that poorly chosen mods can reduce engine lifespan by up to 40%. The solution? Learn which ones are worth your money and which ones destroy your ride. Tip: always balance performance upgrades with engine reliability. Next, let's talk about one mod that seems cool but secretly kills power. Many people think a cold air intake boosts horsepower instantly. But here's the truth. Some cheap kits suck in hot air, not cold. That means reduced performance. Experts from Car and Driver note that only high-quality systems with proper heat shields work effectively. Solution: buy branded tested systems, not cheap knockoffs. Tip: keep your intake filter clean every 10,000 kilometers. Next up, a mod that can actually make your car breathe better: the right exhaust. A good exhaust can improve airflow and power, but oversized racing exhausts often reduce back pressure and kill torque. Science says your engine needs balanced exhaust flow, not noise. Solution: choose a catback system tuned for your engine type. Tip: always check local noise laws before installing. Buddy, remember this: true car lovers don't just chase looks or sound, they chase performance that lasts. Every smart upgrade is an investment in your skill and your car's health. Keep learning, keep tuning, and never rush mods. Next, we'll explore one small upgrade that saves fuel and extends engine life. Upgrading spark plugs can improve combustion and throttle response. But the catch? Not every plug fits your engine's heat range. Scientific tests by NGK show that mismatched plugs can cause misfires. Solution: use manufacturer-recommended performance plugs only. Tip: replace them every 40,000 kilometers. ECU tuning, friend or foe? Tuning your car's ECU can unlock hidden power, but too much boost or wrong air-fuel ratios can melt pistons. Experts warn that non-professional tuning increases failure risk. Solution: always use certified tuners who offer dyno testing. Tip: get your ECU flashed only once your hardware is ready. Bro, no matter how expensive your mods are, skipping oil changes ruins everything. Regular maintenance is like vitamins for your car. It keeps all systems balanced. Solution: stick to your service schedule. Tip: use synthetic oil if you run performance mods. Every great car build starts with patience. Your dream car won't happen overnight. Take pride in every small improvement. It's part of your journey as a driver. Stay consistent, stay curious. Next, we'll uncover a popular mod that destroys engines silently. Many beginners install budget turbo kits hoping for massive gains. The truth? Most of those kits lack oil cooling and proper tuning. That's a recipe for disaster. According to Motor Trend, cheap turbos often fail within months. Solution: if you really want boost, invest in a full kit with intercooler and ECU map. Tip: don't chase boost, chase balance. Reusable performance filters can improve airflow and save money. But if you over-oil them, sensors get damaged. Tests show oil-coated filters can mess up mass airflow readings. Solution: clean filters properly with dedicated kits. Tip: never use home detergent. Bigger wheels can look aggressive, but they stress your suspension and transmission. Physics says more weight, chassis more resistance. Solution: only increase 1 or 2 inches from stock size. Tip: Match tire profile with rim size. Buddy, don't mod for approval, mod for performance. Every upgrade should serve a reason, not just attention. A car built with purpose always stands out naturally. Next, we'll talk about body kits. Stylish, but risky. Adding spoilers or splitters can improve stability, but wrong installation increases drag. Experts show that fake aero kits hurt fuel efficiency. Solution: use kits tested in wind tunnels or made by trusted brands. Tip: check ground clearance after installation. Good suspension improves handling and tire grip, but lowering your car too much ruins ride comfort. Research from Road and Track says overly stiff setups cause faster tire wear. Solution: choose adjustable coilovers. Tip: always get professional alignment after installing. Blinding headlights don't make your car better, buddy. They make the road dangerous. Many cheap kits scatter light instead of focusing it. Solution: use DOT-approved lighting. Tip: adjust beam angles correctly. Performance mods increase heat, and overheating kills engines fast. Studies show heat is the #1 cause of early engine wear. Solution: upgrade your radiator or install an oil cooler. Tip: check coolant levels weekly. Every decision you make under that hood teaches you something. You're not just modding metal. You're building discipline, patience, and pride. Keep learning, buddy. You're doing great. Next, we'll talk about one sneaky mod that drains your wallet: fuel additives. Most fuel additives promise miracles. In reality, most offer zero proven benefit. According to Consumer Reports, regular gas already contains cleaning agents. Solution: only use additives approved by your car brand. Tip: stick to top-tier gasoline. Mods that are actually worth it. What's worth it? Performance tires, brake upgrades, suspension tuning, and ECU remap by professionals. These improve safety, power, and control. Solution: build your mod plan step by step. Tip: never mix random upgrades. All right, buddy, now you know which mods are worth it and which ones kill your engine. Treat your car like a teammate. Respect it, maintain it, and it'll reward you every drive. If this helped you, like, share, and comment your mod experiences below. And remember, consult a professional if you have unique car conditions or health concerns while working on your vehicle. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep driving strong.